Here is a look at the best places in India. 10 selected locations to be visited at least once in a lifetime. About India, India is an exciting melting pot of different and alluring landscapes. There are many beautiful tourist places in India which are blessed with lush greenery and amazing forests. A unique land of vibrant colors, breathtaking landscapes, and rich history, India is unlike other countries. From the writhing streets of Mumbai to the idyllic shores of Andaman Islands, this remarkable country offers a diverse feast for the senses. For those who are willing, India will lead you on an incredible journey of history and culture. Here is a list of 10 best places in India to be visited at least once in a lifetime. If you are interested, smash the like button and continue watching this video. Number 1. Taj Mahal, Agra. Perhaps India's most recognizable building, the Taj Mahal is also the world's most famous testimony to the power of love. Incorporating many elements of Islamic designs, including arches, minarets, an onion-shaped dome, and black calligraphy inlaid around the entrance, the Taj Mahal is largely constructed of white marble decorated with inland floral patterns and precious and semi-precious stones. The calligraphy of the Taj Mahal mainly consists of the verses and passages from the Holy Book of Quran. It was done by inlaying jasper in the white marble panels. The passages were inscribed by Amnad Khan in an illegible Tulit script. Number 2. Golden Temple, Amritsar. Founded in 1577 by Ramdas, Amritsar is an important hub of Sikh history and culture. The main attraction here is Harmandir Sahib, opened in 1604 and still often referred to as the Golden Temple for its beautiful decoration. The temple was built in a blend of Hindu and Islamic styles. Its lower marble section featuring such flourishes as ornate inlaid floral patterns, while the large golden dome represents a lotus flower, a symbol of purity to Sikhs. Number 3. Gateway of India, Mumbai. The Gateway of India is an arch monument built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai. As the name signifies, this monument served as an entrance point to India for British viceroys. The monument is surrounded by another of Mumbai's major tourist attraction, the Marine Drive, facing the vast Arabian Sea. Number 4. Ladakh, which is a union territory. Ladakh is quite famous for its incandescent mountains and longing valleys, all of which makes it a hot favorite amongst travelers. And most important, Ladakh is a magnificent and unexplored wonderland of the Himalayas. Houses and monasteries nestle in the side of mountains. Horses and cattle graze in lush green meadows, and at night the sky is set alight with a magic carpet of twinkling stars. Ladakh also very famous and well known for its festival called as Land of Colorful Festivals. Number 5. Darjeeling, Himachal Pradesh. Darjeeling is a town in India's West Bengal state in the Himalayan foothills. Once a summer resort for the British Raj elite, it remains the terminus of the narrow gauge Darjeeling Himalayan Railway or toy train completed in 1881. Mesmerizing sunrises, the untouched beauty of the hills, the old world charm of the past, and the welcoming smiles of the local people all add up to make Darjeeling one of the most beautiful hill stations in the eastern part of India. Darjeeling, fondly called Queen of the Hills, provides a perfect gateway for those seeking to be in harmony with nature. Number 6. Mysore, Karnataka. Mysore is the second fastest growing city in Karnataka after Bangalore. Once a capital of the princely state of Mysore, the city maintains its royal charm till today. The Mysore Palace is visited by more than 6 million visitors every year, making it the second most visited monument in India after the Taj Mahal. Built during the reign of Maharaja Krishnarajendra Vadiyar IV, the Mysore Palace was designed by the architect Henry Irving, and construction started in 1897. It took 15 years to complete this marvel. Mysore Palace is the venue for the 10-day Mysore Dasara festival, during which it lights up and hosts several parades and processions. Number 7. Alappuzha, Kerala. I am sure that you have seen the backwaters of Kerala in photos, and I have to say it's truly as stunning as it looks. There are many interesting routes to cruise on the backwaters of Kerala. Each route is more enchanting than the other. The cruise takes you through the clear waters of the prominent Punnamada Lake, the venue of the legendary Nehru Trophy snake boat race. Number 8. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. One of the most popular hill stations in Himachal, Manali offers the most magnificent views of the Pir Panjal and Dwaladhar ranges covered with snow for most parts of the year. Manali got its name from the lawgiver Manu. Manu Alaya, meaning the residence of Manu, got changed to Manali in course of time. Legend says that the sage Manu descended on Manali and recreated human life after the great floods which destroyed the world. There is a temple dedicated to the sage in Old Manali. Number 9. Andaman, which is a union territory. Andaman is one of the most visited union territories of India, known for its sweeping landscape views, breathtaking beaches, and adventurous water sports. Located to the southeast of the Bay of Bengal, coral reefs here support an abundance of marine life of all shapes and sizes. The clear, warm water of the Andaman Islands brings a unique marine biodiversity, making it an underwater playground for diving and snorkeling. Likewise, the colonial past of Andaman takes you back in time with popular historical museums and monuments. Cellular Jail, popularly known as Kala Pani, Cellular Jail is one of the best places to visit in Andaman. The mere sound of it sends chills down the spine among many people. And number 10. Hawa Mahal, Rajasthan. No trip to India is complete without spending time in Jaipur, affectionately nicknamed the Pink City for the blushing color of its historic buildings. Jaipur is a princely wonderland of culture and heritage, brimming with architectural gems. Hawa Mahal, literally the Palace of Winds, was built using pink sandstone in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, and it is the most recognizable monument of Jaipur. If you had any preconceived notions about how the building in Jaipur looked, they probably came from Hawa Mahal. The landmark was built in 1799 to allow royal ladies to watch festivals on the street without being seen by the public. Its 953 windows allow plenty of breeze to pass through, making it an ideal summer palace. Thanks for watching. I think the video lived up to your expectations. Now go right ahead and subscribe.